Hello children, good morning. Today I will teach you how to write letter I with the help of standing and sleeping line. Okay, earlier I have taught you now standing and sleeping line. You are aware of now standing and sleeping line? Now today I will show you how to write standing and sleeping line, how to write letter I with the help of standing and sleeping lines. So students see this is the 4-line copy and see what I have written here. I have written letter I. I have written see see how many standing and sleeping lines are there? One standing line and two sleeping line. So the formation of letter I is one standing line and two sleeping lines. In this way, we form letter I by giving one standing line and two sleeping lines. And see which picture I have drawn here. Ice cream. I for ice cream. So student, first you will trace it. Okay. First you tell your parents to give dots. Oh parents, please give dots in this way. From baby line to from mama line to baby line. Red line to blue line. 4 dots in this way and 3 dots in this way. See 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 3 dots. Okay, in this way, first you will trace. What you will do? You will trace. You will join the dots and you will learn to write letter I. First you give dots. Parents, please give dots in this way and ask your child to trace it. Okay. See, in this way you ask them to join it. Dots. See, in this way. Up to down, left to right, up to down, left to right, up to down, left to right. See, I for ice cream, I for igloo, I for idli, I for students, I have taught you I for idle. So in this way you have to trace. Okay, after tracing, what you will do? You will write the parents, when your child will comfortable of tracing, then you ask them, beta, give one standing line from red line to blue line, give 2 sleeping lines, one on the red line and one on the blue line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing, sleeping, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. But you have to draw a standing line from red line to blue line only, mama line to baby line, and one sleeping line on the mama line and one sleeping line on the lower baby line. Okay, in this way you don't give any dots. Without dots you will learn to write. Okay, see, I sound E. I sounds E. And students, as you know, practice makes a man perfect. So you do practice it. Practicing. Okay. If you will not practice, you will not learn. So you practice as much as you can. You practice as much as you can. See, I have completed my work. I have completed. Parents, it's very important that you work on your child's gripping, because it's very important. If your child's gripping will not improve, then they will not able to write. So you give them, see, I am having this crayons, see, I am holding it like this, and you give them to scribble in this way in any rough paper, in this way. When they will able to do this, after that you make this type of stencil. See, I am having this. I have made with old card. मैंने पुरानी एक शादी की कार्ड थी, उससे मैंने ये बनाया है stencils. You tell them, you put it like this on the paper and you tell them to crayon it up to down in this way, and right to left, right to left, left to right, in this way. See, one more I have made. In this way they will be able to improve their gripping. See, tell them to crayons in this way. Color the circle, and in this way they will the gripping. This is the gripping. See, in this way they will learn to color and the gripping will be strong. Okay, see, this is the right way. Children, again I am repeating. Okay, again I am repeating how to trace and how to write. See, first up to down, left to right, 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 up to down, left to right. See, up to down from red line to blue line, mama line to baby line, mama line to baby line. Now you ask your, now you join this. Okay, join the dot in this way. See, Now, hope you learned how to write letter I. Keep practicing, children. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.